mid-20s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows near 15. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s.
The following information concerns a blizzard warning for the following county, Cass, Michigan. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Indiana and southwest Michigan. When? From 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing and drifting snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches and cause power outages. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 15 below to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Additional details. Additional snow accumulations are expected near Lake Michigan Saturday through Sunday, especially in Berry and Cass, Michigan. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
Here is the nearshore fork, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
The following information concerns a blizzard warning for the following counties in Michigan, Allegan, Berry, Kalamazoo, and Van Buren. What? Blizzard conditions expected Friday. Total snow accumulations of 10 to 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Portions of southwest and west central Michigan. When? From 4 p.m. Thursday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will mainly impact Friday and Saturday travel. Additional details. While the snow will start by mid-afternoon on Thursday, the strong winds will not start until Friday morning. It is then that conditions will become dangerous due to low wind chills, blowing snow, and very low visibilities. Power outages are possible. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.